Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing this Hearmo Earfit Tune C earbuds. Now these are wired earbuds with a USB Type-C port, inline mic and a pretty unique volume controls. These are priced at $7.99 on the box. I'll let you know the actual price in the description as well. And we have the silver color. Without further delays, first let's have the unboxing. So here's the box. We also got a preview of how the earbuds look like. On the front, it simply says Earfit Tune C. On the back side, we have a list of features like tangled resistant cable. We also got extra ear tips, braided cable and so on, along with pricing information and specs. Now let's unbox it. Inside there's an envelope shaped smaller box. It says Hearmo, we create happiness. Inside there are earbuds with a USB Type-C jack instead of a 3.5mm jack, and there are also some extra ear tips. Now let's have a physical overview. Now these are how the earbuds look like. The ear tip has a wider opening, and on the back we have the left and right marking. Here's the inline mic and the remote. Now here's the power button or the multifunctional button, which you can use to play or pause or answer or end calls, followed by the mic and the volume slider. We'll come back to the volume slider in a minute. Behind that we have the branding. Now here's the braided cable. It's pretty thin and the quality is pretty good. Now these earbuds weigh about 14 grams and have a length of about 120 centimeters, which is sufficiently long. Now here's the Type-C port, and it also comes with pretty good protection. Now these are some of the specifications that are available on the box. It comes with a USB Type-C jack. It has 10mm drivers. It has an impedance of 16 ohms and has a frequency response from 20 to 20 kilohertz, which is pretty good. And the cord length is 120 centimeters. Now as for the review part, I'll start with the design and build, and I must say it's a very well designed product. Like, it's got all the safety measures. First of all, the USB Type-C port is very well secured. Like, it won't go bad like, the Apple products, especially the Apple charging cables. Okay, as for the cable, it's braided and they're tangle free, so it's the best that you can ask for. Now coming to the interesting part about the inline mic controller, the power button or the mic works as expected. As for the volume slider, here's where it gets interesting. Now, unlike other inline mic controllers where you can just increase or decrease the volume, using this slider you can actually set a volume. Let's say you have a phone and the volume is set at 80%. Now on other earbuds with the volume control, you can just increase or decrease it. But on this controller, you can actually set the volume level. Like, you get a 80% of volume to your earphones, but using the slider, you can have a different volume directly at your ears. It might sound a bit complicated. Okay, I'll try to make it simple. You can have 80% volume at your phone, and without touching your phone, you can reduce the volume to say 20% using this slider. Like, you can have a fixed percent of volume using this particular slider. It's a very interesting concept and I really like it. Besides that, audio quality of these earbuds is pretty good. Even at high volumes and low volumes, audio quality was pretty good. And even at higher volumes, I didn't find any audio distortion. And as for the call quality, it was also pretty good considering the price. Like, other party was able to clearly hear me. I tried these earbuds even on a road. Apart from loud horns and stuff, rest of the noise was pretty much minimized. My voice was pretty audible on the other side. So overall, call quality was also pretty good. So guys, to conclude, if you're looking for a USB Type-C based earbuds, I would definitely recommend this product, especially for that volume slider. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.